встречаться в январе следующего года. Давайте подумаем, как это сделать.
And of course, we want to organize good celebrations of our anniversary of the 40th anniversary of our relation. Let's think how we can organize that. In the United Nations and in the other Asian Pacific forums, we know that our positions coincide and we favor the independent position of your state.
Thank you, Your Excellency. I want to say how glad we are that it's an opportunity to meet up with you again. I know you're very busy, but I want to thank you for the opportunity for us to come and visit you in Moscow. We've been very well looked after by your officials and spend the morning watching rugby in the World Cup Sevens.
Как я слышал, ваша команда продолжает побеждать.
As I heard, your team is keeping on winning.
Yes, we try to stay away from the Russian.
Держимся в стороне от российской команды.
But Your Excellency, we've signed the agreement yesterday, as you said, and last night I mentioned to the tourist industry the visa-free issue, and they were very happy with that issue. I thank you also, Your Excellency, for the support of the Russian Federation and the United Nations for peacekeeping. In the last couple of days, our troops, numbering 182, have arrived in the Dolomites.
Однозначно поддерживаем ваших миротворцев. Знаем, что в России сфере очень богатый опыт.
As you know, Russia also suggested to send its troops to the United Nations peacekeeping operation in the Holland Hague, and we want to express our full support to the Fiji contingent in the Holland Hague.
I thank you for that support, Your Excellency. On July the 22nd, we've been asked by the United Nations Department of Peacekeeping to send an additional 380, in addition to the 192 in Iraq, in Baghdad, and 350 in Sinai. We request your continuous support, Your Excellency, in our peacekeeping operation.
Так и будет.
That's exactly what we are going to do.
I thank you, Your Excellency. It's nice to see you again.
Благодарю вас,
Thank you.
ваше превосходительство, рад встрече с вами. Thank you so much.
Спасибо.